Hey everyone, today we are diving into Sony 35mm f1.8 OSS lens, a versatile prime lens known for its superb image quality and excellent performance. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a filmmaker looking for a go-to lens, this might just be the perfect addition to your kit. This Sony 35mm f1.8 lens is designed for Sony E-mount cameras such as the Sony ZV-E10, A6000 and so on, providing a classic 35mm focal lens that is very ideal for a wide range of applications such as photography or videography. It's a good lens to have if you're doing talking head shots like I'm doing now. It's perfect for portraits, street photography, landscape and everyday shooting. It's a prime lens, which means it's stuck at 35mm, so it means you cannot zoom in or zoom out to capture distant objects. It has a bright f1.8 maximum aperture, making it very great for low light shooting and even achieving those beautiful looking bokeh. Another feature is its optical steady stabilization, which is a feature that reduces camera shake for sharper handheld shots and smoother video recording. This is ideal if you're vlogging and your camera does not have an inbuilt stabilization, just like the Sony ZV-E10 camera. In terms of weight, it's easy to carry around and suitable for travel and everyday use. It weighs about 155 grams and has a dimension of 45mm in length, 63mm width, and 63mm in height. One noticeable thing is, both the motor that controls the focus and the one that controls aperture are quiet and smooth and ideal for shooting video, unlike the Sony 50mm f1.8 lens, which makes slight motor noise as it tries to focus. Although this is a more expensive one at over £300, while The 50mm cost about £150 on Amazon. The build quality is not bad for a £300 lens when compared with other Sony lenses that cost over £1,000. I think it's an entry-level lens which is way better than the kit lenses that comes with some Sony APS-C cameras. The focus ring is buttery smooth. Now let's dive into some sample footage captured with the Sony 35mm f1.8 lens. I'll show you how this lens performs in real-world situations, including portrait shots, street photography, and low light conditions. The pros include excellent image quality with sharpness and contrast. It's fast and has an accurate autofocus. It's very great for low light shooting. It's compact and has lightweight design. Its optical image stabilization is also very effective. Cons: it's slightly pricey compared to similar lenses. It also has some chromatic aberration at wider apertures. In conclusion, anyone looking for a flexible prime lens with outstanding optical performance for their Sony E-mount cameras should definitely choose the Sony 35mm f1.8 OSS lens. It's an essential tool for any photographer or filmmaker's toolbox since it works well for both photography and filmmaking. Please consider liking and subscribing if you like the video so that you may see more of this content. I'll be delighted to hear from you if you have any question or any comment. I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in the next video. Have fun with your shooting.